Hi, I'm 𝗙𝗓𝗓 𝗏𝗧. I'm the Studio Director for SmartLabs program, and we are at the 9th batch final exhibition, and it's a culmination of 9 batches of SmartLabs so far, and which is ending up into this fantastic show.
Very enriching experience in terms of how the course was made. SmartLabs actually helped me out to break down the logic of how computational design works and how Grasshopper works.
The software that is used and for the how it is used for daylighting, how it is used for modulation of forms. But at SmartLabs, the technical aspect along with the design aspect was also taught over here, and the tutors were amazing professionals, practicing professionals.
In SmartLabs, we learned a lot about how the logic is there, and there was a lot of focus over that, and that was a different perspective, and it was a good experience.
My experience at SmartLabs was really great. I learned not just the software but also how to computationally think and design using these new techniques, which were previously alien to most of us, but yeah, it was really good.
It has been a great journey with SmartLab. As a batch of 9.0, I learned a lot of things. When I started SmartLab, I was like very much confused actually what is about parametric, how the digital fabrication will be there and stuff like that. I was actually at a beginner level in a Rhino also, but as the SL line graduated, as the SL line just came across, I started to learn about the things in Rhino also as well as Grasshopper.
I can say it was like a roller coaster, and that's a better thing because adventures are always remembered, that's why.
You can do anything with this structure and this course, what you learn through this. So it is an amazing course, and just push yourself through and just make it up. Don't laze around, just do it.
I think it's a fantastic journey, and it's an overwhelming journey for me as well. And I think kudos to all the tutors and teams who've been a part of SmartLabs across these 9 batches so far. I think it has turned out amazingly well with all the works that almost all the students have put up in, and the kind of innovative exhibits that I see around here is something really amazing.
And I came across this course, so I took that opportunity and kind of got ahead with it and tried to complete this course and learn as much things as possible.
It's been a great journey so far. As an educator, as someone who sort of started the program with a mission to bring about a change, I think we are sitting at a very interesting space where we are able to make a positive impact to a lot of students and professionals from across the globe.